If natural flea products aren't working for your cat, there might be a user error. You see, natural flea products don't work by emitting toxins into your cat's bloodstream like the chemical-based flea products do. Instead, the majority of these products naturally kill and/or deter fleas from your cats topically, making them effective without side effects. But they aren't just a one and done. Natural flea products will be administered differently and sometimes more often to get the same results as these chemical-based products. So cat tip of the day today is, if you're not seeing the results that you want using these natural flea products, consider switching up the way that you're using them to help make sure that your cat stays safe and flea-free. With the Two Crazy Cat Ladies, I'm Jay.